my name is Rachel and I love to create and experiment. And if you're new here, welcome to the family. Today's video are gifts that I gifted myself for the year. I'm pretty excited about this video because I think it's very important that we learn how to gift ourselves gifts. You just have to learn the fact that apart from giving other people gifts, you also have to give yourself gifts. Like self-love is very important. I mean, if last year I started anything, it should be that self-love is very important and taking care of yourself is very important. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I made different DIY gifts for myself for the year. Alright guys, so let's just get right to the video.
Guys, I'm going to leave a list of all the materials needed in the description box, so please be sure to check them out. So the first thing we're going to be designing is a gratitude journal. For the gratitude journal, I got a notebook and a glitter foam. So this glitter foam is what I also used in my last DIY. If you've seen this video right here, I'm going to leave a link to it in the description box and in the card above. I also used the glitter foam here. So I'm just going to wrap the notebook all around the glitter foam, and I used the glue gun for that. I just cut up all the pieces at the spine, glue those ones separately because you want your glitter foam to stay right on the notebook. So for my next DIY is a wine bottle. So the first thing you want to do is remove all of the labels that are on the wine bottle, which is what I did. I just scraped off the rest of the paper that was on it, and I had a very clear wine bottle, top bond glue and glitter. So I'm just going to glitter all over the bottle. I had a label measured and I had description written on it and printed out. For the next DIY is a frame. So this frame is supposed to remind me of my theme for the year. So if you have a theme for the year, just pick out your theme for the year, have it designed anyhow you want, which is what I did, and I had printed out and put into a frame. If you do not have a theme for the year, you could use a quote or any other thing that you like. Other things I added to my gift box, like customized mug and of course chocolates. So for the arrangement of my gift box, I had the shredded paper, so I just put in shredded paper and just arranged my different gifts into the box, and I was done.
Guys, if you like this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Also, tell me in the comment section what gift you give yourself for the year, and if you gave yourself gift for the year, let me know in the comment section. And if this video inspired you to give yourself gift for the year, please also let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Subscribe button is somewhere down here, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys, peace.